Hello friends, welcome to Sagar Robotics. In the today's video, we make a mini 5-volt soldering iron that run on mobile charger or power bank. So without wasting time, for making this soldering iron, I take a 10 ohm 2 resistors in quarter watt. Here you also use 5 to 10 ohm any resistor. Then I twist the one terminals of both resistor in this type with the help of plier. Then I take this type of copper piece and fix resistor here. Then take a copper wire of that type and wound tightly on the resistor. I also twist wire on another remaining terminal of resistor. After done that, I take a small copper wire piece and wound it on the twisted terminals of resistor in that type. Then I take a 3 piece of fiber sleeve and place it here and here. You cannot use plastic coated wire here because it melt and makes short circuit here. So I use copper wire and then place sleeve on it because sleeve does not burn out while heating. Then I take a USB wire and out two unnecessary wires in it. Here red and black wire is useful for us. Then I take a wooden handle here and push out wire from it. I also make this tin pipe from tin sheet. I push out wire from it and then I twist black wire here and red wire here. Then I take a piece of fiber sleeve and wound it here to prevent short circuit due to tin pipe. And fix this here and then fix tin pipe into wooden handle. I take a M-seal and mix it well. After mixing it, I fix M-seal here and here. After done this, our soldering iron is ready. After drying, our M-seal solder is ready to use. So I connect a USB cable into my mobile charger. I plug it into wall outlet and waiting for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes it heat up and working fine. Here you can see it melts solder wire properly. I show you its soldering. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.